Do you struggle to remember what you study? Imagine being able to recall everything effortlessly, just like Japanese students. They don't just study harder, they study smarter. But how do they do it? The secret lies in spaced repetition and active recall, two powerful techniques that reinforce memory by reviewing information at specific intervals. Unlike many students who cram at the last minute, Japanese students focus on consistent practice, visual learning, and mnemonics to make information stick. They use the Feynman technique, teaching a concept in simple words to truly understand it. Their study method includes writing by hand, which improves retention, and immersive learning, where they relate concepts to real-life situations. Additionally, Japanese students incorporate Zen-like focus, removing distractions to maximize efficiency. So if you want to remember everything without studying for long hours, start using these techniques today. Which method do you think would work best for you? Let me know in the comments.